Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to get film look in camera on Sony cameras. So if you have a newer version of Sony camera like 7 Alpha 7 4 5 7C2, let's say Sony ZV-E1, you have access to creative looks. So these are preset that serves as excellent baselines for modern film simulations. Right, I don't have Sony 4, for example, so I have Alpha 7R3. So I will show you in my camera. So if you have older camera, uh, this video is for you. Uh, so yeah, we will use some picture profiles applied to both photos and videos. So what we are going to do is navigate to the menu. So you see on back on your camera, you see button menu, click on that. And what we are going to do next is search for color white balance. So you will find it here in a red area. So camera 1, you see the menu camera 1, and then the 12 out of 14 page, and at the bottom you will see picture profile. Click on that, and yeah, now we have it here, some options to do. So what we are going to do is, let's open PP1, for example. Now how to get to this PP1 is just you see below basically the menu how you do that. So this wheel that you have on back of your camera, you just press on right and you will jump into PP1 menu. All right, now gamma. Here we can select scene 2 or scene 4. This flattens the curve, provides smooth highlight roll-off and softness skin tone. So I will leave it on scene 2. Then we have black gamma, black level, sorry. We have -2 to -4 keeps the deepest shadows grounded while the gamma stretches the midtones. So let's say I will leave it right on -2. Then we have what we have. Next we have color mode. So let's hit it here. And what we can choose here is Pro or Cinema. Pro highlight accurate, easily manipulative tones. Cinema injects along warmth. So I will go with Pro here. Then we have saturation +4 to +6 compensates for the flatter scene gamma. So I will go with number 4. And then we have also details. It's good to set to -7. This is a crucial step. This turns off Sony aggressive digital edge sharpening entirely. All right. And yeah, this is basically how to how to get film look in camera on Sony A7 III. And yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.